Hello everyone. It's been a long time since I recorded videos on my website. I was on summer break. I also moved and my new property requires a lot of work, so I've been very busy. But now that the school year started, I am going to pick up and continue working on my website. So I just want to give you a quick update of where I'm at and where I'm going to be working forward. So currently I am working in the middle game. I just finished the static and dynamic weaknesses. I've also attached all the links on my website to the videos that I've created. And I'm going to continue someone's middle game course, How to Reassess Your Chess, into the next chapter, which I'm going to be talking about pass pawns. In this chapter, we're going to take a look at how to create pass pawns, how to support the pass pawn, when the pass pawns are useless, how to create a blockade to stop the pass pawn, and when are those blockades going to be successful and when they will fail. So that will conclude the pass pawn section. And then I'm going to record the next chapters, which we're going to talk about space advantage and the psychology in the middle game. So thank you for your patience and stay tuned for the next video.